Transform your garden with a stunning water fountain. Not only it will update your garden look, but it will also provide a pleasing white noise. Once you find the ideal place for it, lay your first course of bricks on a perfect round shape. Spread your first layer of mortar and lay your first course of bricks. Make sure everything is level and plump. Reduce the need to cut the bricks. We're not saying this is an easy project, but it's definitely worth it. This is where we'll be installing stairs. Trust the process. Such neat and professional work. This should dry for a few days. Conceal the bricks and cover the outside with mortar too. Recreate a rock paving texture on the walls outside. This will be a glass door where you can look at the fish. Not your average DIY project. Water will flow from the little house at the top, through the stairs and down at the fountain. The plastic tubing through which the water will go through. At this point, we recommend talking to a professional. Slowly but nicely coming together. Add pond plants. There are plenty of varieties you can pick from. Love how it completely transforms the vibe there. And of course, the famous koi fish. Absolutely stunning. Enjoy, peeps! Thanks for following along.